There's a certain point where cleaning stops feeling like maintenance and starts quietly taking time away from the rest of your day. And that's exactly where a smart robot vacuum begins to make sense. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eufy by Anker RoboVac G20, a slim, intelligent robot vacuum designed for hard floors, apartments, pet owners, and anyone who wants a cleaner home without constantly thinking about it. If you've been searching for an affordable robot vacuum that feels dependable rather than gimmicky, this one deserves attention. And if you want to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is right there in the description. What makes the RoboVac G20 interesting is how balanced the overall experience feels. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on the things that actually matter in day-to-day ownership: consistent cleaning, quiet operation, smart navigation, and simple control. Reason 1. Smarter cleaning that feels genuinely efficient. The RoboVac G20 uses dynamic navigation to clean in a more methodical pattern instead of wandering randomly across your floors. That matters because coverage becomes noticeably more reliable over time. For busy homes, especially with dust, crumbs, or pet hair accumulating daily, this creates a cleaner overall result with less missed space and fewer repeat passes. Reason 2. Strong suction where it actually counts. With 2,500 pascals suction power, this vacuum handles everyday debris surprisingly well for its size category. Hard floors benefit the most, especially kitchens, hallways, and living rooms, where fine dust and pet hair tend to collect. It's also effective around edges and under furniture, giving the impression of a home that stays cleaner between deeper manual cleans. Reason 3. Quiet enough to live with comfortably. One of the more underrated strengths here is the low operating noise. At around 55 decibels, it stays quieter than many traditional vacuums and doesn't dominate the room while running. You can realistically let it clean during work calls, evenings, or while relaxing without constantly noticing it in the background. Reason 4. The ultra-slim design solves a real problem. At only 2.85 inches tall, the RoboVac G20 slides under beds, sofas, dressers, and furniture that upright vacuums often struggle to reach. Those hidden areas are exactly where dust tends to build up over time, so this design isn't just aesthetic, it improves long-term cleanliness in practical ways. Reason 5. Simple smart features that improve ownership. Using the Eufy Home app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, control the vacuum remotely, and adjust settings without effort. Voice control compatibility with Alexa adds another layer of convenience for smart home users. Setup is straightforward as long as your home network supports a 2.4 GHz connection. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the experience feels polished and reliable rather than overly technical. In the end, the RoboVac G20 succeeds because it understands its role clearly. It's not trying to replace a premium deep cleaning system, and it's not built for thick carpeting or highly complex multi-floor mapping. But for hard floors, apartments, pet owners, and people who value quiet convenience, it offers a very satisfying balance of performance, simplicity, and long-term usability. If your goal is spending less time thinking about everyday cleaning while still keeping your home consistently tidy, this is one of those products that quietly earns its place over time. And as always, buy with confidence means choosing products that genuinely improve everyday life, not just products with impressive marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.